Lamara Distin breaks Jamaica's high jump record with a 1.96-meter jump. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Hi again and welcome back to Links 007 TV News Report. Lamara Distin on Saturday became Jamaica's new record holder in the women's high jump after she won the event with a jump of 1.96 meters at the Texas Relays at the Maya Stadium in the United States. Competing for the Texas A&M, the 22-year-old Distin, who is from Hanover, did not improve on the 1.93 meters Jamaican record by Cherie Ruff in 2010, but set a new Texas Relay record and the fifth best mark on the all-top list. Distin also secured the qualifying standard to the World Athletics Championship, which will be held in Eugene from July 15 to 24. Distin's previous best was 1.90 achieved at last year's NCAA Division I Championship at the Hayward Field. On that occasion, she finished second. Distin is also the indoor high jump record holder for Jamaica with a 1.92 meter jump. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.